post-meridian, and you'll be with your diary and that book by Mr. Gideon. Bye-bye, baby. Remember you're my baby when they give you the eye. Although I know that you care, won't you write and declare that though on the loose you are still on the square? I'll be gloomy, but send that rainbow to me, then my shadows will fly, though you'll be gone for a while. I know that I'll be smiling with my baby by and by.